Welcome in. Can I help you with something? Sure. Yeah, of course. Go ahead and take a seat. Let me just get up the checking account page. There we go. Okay, so you're just looking to open a checking account or savings? Both? Checking, okay. Yeah, that's fine. We offer quite a few different checking accounts, just depending on what your needs are, what your financial situation is. So if you'd like, I could run you through them. Yeah, just really quickly give you the overviews and some differences in fees and things like that, and see which one is gonna fit you best. Okay, sure. Sounds good. Okay, so we have 6 different options, but the most commonly chosen ones are the Life Green checking account. You could have an e-access checking account, preferred checking, or student checking. We also have simple checking, which is very limited features, and then we also have senior checking, which is for 62 and older, which you are clearly not. So how about I just run you through the 4 most popular ones, and surely one of them will suit you. Okay, so we're going to start with the Life Green. That is the most popular. It's the very standard checking account. So for that, you have direct deposit and unlimited check writing. Again, that's just a very standard account. There is a monthly fee. It's $8 if you do paperless and $10 with paper statements. Yeah, you can avoid your monthly fee for this one if you have an average of $1,500 in your bank account, or you have ACH direct deposit, such as payroll checks, government benefits of at least $500 or at least $500 single or $1,000 combined throughout the month. Either of those options will waive your fee for the month for that one. See anything else? For all 4 of these that I'm going to be telling you about, the minimum opening deposit is $25, so that's not bad at all. Yeah, and then they do all offer checks, but there's no standard pricing. It would depend on how many checks you wanted, plain checks, checks with designs, etc. So with this checking account and with 2 of the other ones, you are the option of getting a savings account is available to you, and you can get a 30% discount on one safe deposit box with an additional 10% discount for auto debit. There are some other discounts and things like that for CDs. If you purchase those things, it's not very popular anymore, but they are there if you're interested. So yeah, for this one, there's no check writing fee at all. Yeah, some of them there are. Like with the simple checking account, I don't think you can even write checks, and then with the e-access account you can, but you're limited to let's see. Yeah. So you get 3 checks a month, and then after that it's 50 cents for each additional check because it is an e-account. They expect you to be as paperless as possible. Yeah. Okay. So like I said, no check fee for that one, no account eligibility requirements, no interest rates, nothing like that. With this bank account, you'll get your Visa debit card, free online banking, free standard bill pay, the mobile app, online statements, unlimited checking. You can sign up for overdraft protection. So you can also, for this, you'll get the no regions ATM fee on 2 ATM transactions at 2 non-regions ATMs per month. Yeah. So that's the first one. That's the very standard one. The next one we can go over is the e-access account. So for that one, it might be suited to you if you do most of your banking online and you prefer using only a debit card, very rarely ever a check. So like I said, these two are very similar. The monthly fee is $8 and you don't have the option for a paper bill. It is paperless. So it's $8 and you can avoid that monthly fee with any combination of at least 10 check card or credit card purchases. So super easy. You're probably gonna use your card at least 10 times a month. So yeah, usually no fee for that one for most people, unless this is like a secondary account, right? Yeah, so then again, $25 to open. Same thing about checks. Same relationship benefits with savings accounts and safe deposit box, CDs. Same discounts that I just told you about. Like I mentioned, first 3 checks are free, but then 50 cents for each additional check, and you will get all of the same mobile banking, online statements, your check card. The only real difference for this one is that you are paperless and your check writing is limited. Okay. Another one that's really popular is the checking for students. So I don't know if you are a student. Okay. Qualifications, you're 25 or younger and you want the benefits of a life green checking without the fee. So that's basically it. As long as you're 25 or younger and you're enrolled in school, it'll be free for you. It has the same relationship benefits in regards to the safe deposit box, CDs, etc. No check writing fees. The only eligibility requirement is that you are 25 or younger and enrolled. Same mobile banking, online, check card. Yep, and for that one, you would have no monthly fee ever. Okay, and then our last one, which is called preferred checking. It's for the more mature or financially responsible out there. So with this one, you might be interested in it if you want to earn interest and enjoy the added benefits of a deeper relationship that we can provide. So with this one, in order to avoid your monthly fee, you would need to have a $5,000 average monthly statement balance or a $25,000 combined minimum deposit balance from all of your checking, savings, money markets, CDs, or IRAs for the month. The monthly fee for this one is $18. So if you don't have those things, it is a bit steeper, but if you're interested in this one, you do likely maintain a higher balance than the rest of us. It is still only $25 to open that one. So for this one, it's a little different. The relationship benefits with us here. With this, because this is an interest-bearing checking account, so you get a premium money market as long as you keep your account open, and you get 50% discount on one safe deposit box. And then there are other discounts for if you decide to get your home loan or auto loan through us. Yep. Again, no check writing fee, no eligibility requirements, and it's all the same things in regards to your debit card and check writing, mobile banking, overdraft protection. No, you get 2 free ATM fees a month, but for this one, you also get free cashier's checks and free money orders. Yeah, so an added perk if you do a lot in that area. Yeah, just definitely for the deeper pockets around. So, what are you thinking? Which one do you feel like suits you and your needs the most? Okay, so just the life green checking account then, just the standard. Yeah. No, yeah. That's the one I use as well. I'm not a student and I'm not rolling in it, so it's applicable to my situation. So, do you want to go ahead and open that now? Are you ready to do that? Good. Yeah, I can walk you through it. You could do it on your own, but you're already here, so it's no problem. Before we get started, you will need an email address, your social security number, and a state-issued ID. As long as you have that, we're good to go. Okay, good. So, what is your first name? And your last name? Spell. Okay. And then, what is a good email address? Just first and last. Okay. At Gmail. Okay. And what's a good phone number for you? Yeah. Is that a telephone? I'm sorry. Is that a cell phone or a home phone? Okay. Very good. And then what is your social? Okay. And your date of birth? What is your current employment status? So you could be employed, unemployed, self-employed, or retired. Okay. And what's the general overview of your occupation? Yeah, just what category you think it would fall under? Like we have architecture, community services, construction, education, farming, government, healthcare. You know, like what's the main? Okay, cool. And then what is your address? Okay, yeah. And what city? Just want to make sure. Good. That looks good. Okay. And then do you have your ID? Yeah. Okay. So let me just type in your ID number. your date issued, and then the expiry date. There you go. Good. Alright, that all looks good. So, how much are you wanting to deposit today? It is a $25 minimum like we discussed, but you can put whatever amount you'd like. Okay. And how do you want to do that? Do you have cash, or do you want to use a debit card for another account? Okay, yeah. Cool. I'll just need to take down these numbers and then we'll make the withdrawal. There you go. Thank you. Yeah. Once we finalize this and I actually click send, it should come out of there immediately. So if you have some kind of online or mobile banking for that account, you should see it as soon as you leave. As soon as you're able to check, it should already be there. If it's not, call or come back in. Something has gone wrong, and if we don't address it within 24 hours of submitting this application, then like if your account isn't funded in that time, then it will just be disregarded and you will have to redo this. Okay, so yeah, just definitely make sure. Right, so I got the card, the expired, the CVC number on the back. Looking over everything, it seems like I've gotten all the information that I need to get from you. Everything looks good. Okay, so are you ready? You're sure? Because once I hit send, there's not really any taking it back. Of course, as soon as you get your debit card in the mail, you could just withdraw it and close the account. It's not the end of the world, but if you're sure, we'll go ahead. Okay. There she goes. Yep. Okay. So let's just get out of this program. So, like I said, for this one, we'll be issuing you a Visa check card. It will come in the mail within the next 2 weeks or so. We say 2 weeks because you never know, something could go wrong, but most people receive it within 3 to 5 business days. Yeah, if you needed access to this money, you could be issued a temporary card. But most people will just put in a really small amount and then wait for their card to come and then deposit. If they're swapping banks, then they'll move over the rest of their money. Yeah. Okay, so you don't. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Oh, yes. We do offer personalized check cards if that's something that you're interested in. Yeah, I can pull that up for you. Yeah. So it's only $10 to personalize your check card. You can do anything. You can do vacation pictures, monograms, pets, family pictures. There are some standard templates, you know, a flag, a beach, stuff like that. Yeah. No, I do not do that for you here. You would need to wait until you got your physical card in the mail so that you have your assigned card number. And then you would go on to, I can tell you the website if you want to write it down or something. Okay, yeah. It's just your pix, Pix, .regions.com. And it's super simple. You will just click, there's a big orange button and it says to sign your card today. You'll just click on that. You'll need to have the picture ready that you're wanting to use. The first 6 digits of your card number, and then also if you're planning to pay with that card, then that card or whatever card you're planning to pay the $10 with, have that as well. And then it just takes a couple of days. Yep. Yeah, they will still have the chip. Yes. Okay. Yeah, no problem, of course. Is there anything else I can help you with? You're not interested in the savings account right now? No? Okay, well, if that's all, it was really nice to meet you, and we welcome you here at the bank, and we hope that everything is smooth sailing. If you ever have any questions, you can always call or come back in. Yeah, and if you ever decide you want to open up a different checking account or swap checking accounts, the type you're using, or opening the savings, just come back in and see me, okay? Yeah, it was really nice to meet you too. Have a good day.